guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I'm going to be doing for you all is making a shaker card. I'm going to make 3 of them, and I'm so excited to start this new different kinds of projects. I'm not doing away with my regular DIYs. I love them, but while my foot has to be elevated, which it is up right now, and it is slightly improving still, I'm going to be doing little things that I can keep my foot up and sit at the table and do. And if I can incorporate some of my normal DIYs in that, I will. So let me show you what I did. First of all, I just got some paper out of these 3 little books that I showed you in the haul the other day. I used paper out of those, and to go in these little cards, the paper has to be cut 2 by 3 by 3 by 5 if you want to put them in your pocket letters, and I think that's what I may do with that. So I went ahead and I cut this paper and this paper. I just think that's really cute, and this paper 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. It's 2 by 3 this way and 3 by 5 this way, okay? And all I'm gonna do is just start gluing some stuff on here to try to make these really cute and pop, and then we will start making our shaker pockets. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna use, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some of this little sticky stuff that raises your things up, and I'm just gonna cut some of that off because I want this little thing that says happy thoughts and all these little things, I want them basically to be raised, okay? So I just stuck that on the back. I hope you can see. This is a different way of filming for right now. And then I just cut that out of there too. I think that is so cute. Let me move some of this stuff out so it's not so cluttered. And I always like things kind of on angles. I think they look better if you kind of put them on an angle. So I think I'm going to do this like here and just put happy thoughts like that. I think that's really cute. And then I'm just going to put my mermaid on this one, if I can find. Oh, here it is right in front of me. I'm not used to doing it like this. I can't find anything. It's funny. Okay, and then we'll put this little mermaid on the back of here, but this should be a really quick and easy way to do shaker cards, and I love them. You can use them in your planner. Now, I think I want to pretty much just sort of center her on this one, but you can use them, like I said, in your planner. You can use them in your pocket letters. You can do so much with these. Okay. And that's how that looks. I think that's so cute. All right, and then all I have to do is cut some more for this. And we'll have this part down. Put that love in that direction. Like I said, all this came out of those little books that I got at Michael's. And I haven't been back. Pretty sure they didn't give me the sale price. But I haven't been back because I didn't want to get on my foot a lot. I have to go get blood work tomorrow to make sure that everything is all right. And see how cute that is? But I just have to make sure this antibiotic, he said, could cause my blood cell counts to get messed up. So just gonna totally make sure that it's all right, and I'm sure that it is. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I have this little mat right here. It's not for the fuse tool, but it's just a regular mat like I cut my funky bows on and things, my ribbon. But I'm gonna put this paper down first and then put this on, and I think it will help it a lot. Okay, so I have that butted up nicely against that. And what you can do, I've seen a lot of people do, is that they use this to go down through to make their straight line. I find I have a little bit more difficulty using that like that. But this is my first time basically. I mean, I've done one little thing other than that, so I'm just gonna go on this edge. I'm gonna go nice and slow, and I'm gonna go right down through here. Okay. And with the paper underneath it, you can see that it's stuck because you can hear it pull it loose. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna do, I have to leave a space in between so that I can cut them apart. So I have to fuse this twice down through here. And then I'm finding that I do much better if I just hold this down very tight and just go down through here. Okay. But I'm really liking this fuse tool. And that fused nicely. You can really get a little rhythm going here. It's so much fun. Now I'll only be able to get 2 out of this one, so I'll just go ahead and move this over a little bit. I think I'll just put it about right here because I don't want to get a lot of room. But just go slow and put even pressure. Okay. And here that is, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I don't think that I can get this one in because I don't think I'd have room, I wouldn't have room to cut, so I don't wanna do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut right up through here and separate this. I can put this aside for my other one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this one right here, really close to the fused edge. You don't wanna cut the fused edge because all your glitter will come out. Okay, and then we'll just cut right in here, right alongside. It's kind of hard to see probably because it's kind of hard for me to see where this is. Okay, and then we'll just cut right along this one. This is so much fun. And then naturally we have to cut down through here. Okay, so now we can start filling these. Well, I guess I should do this one. Okay, so I know you know what I'm doing, so for time purposes, I'll get this one to match these and then I'll be right back. Okay, I have this one to match the others. Now we get to have fun and start, not that this wasn't fun because it was a blast. Okay, now we're gonna start embellishing it. And I have these little different kinds of sequins and glitter that I got at Michael's. And I think what I wanna do is, I think I'm gonna put a little bit of this in this one. And I might try to put it out like on a spoon. But these are just really pretty little precious hearts. And I think those look adorable. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, and then maybe we will put in this one, maybe a little bit of this blue. It's almost like a bluish green. It's really pretty. And you can see how that looks. And then I may try, I'll put in a little bit of this, I think this yellow. But this is so relaxing. And these are little stars. Okay. All right, and here these are, but I think I'm going to put some more because that's not very much. I think I might put actually a little bit, I don't know if I want to put that in there or not. I think I might put a little bit of this orange heart. Some of these come out easier than the others. Okay, and that's what we're getting so far, and I think I may just put a few more, maybe some of this glitter right here. It's just extra fine and really sparkly. Put that in here, and then I think for this one that'll be all I'm gonna do. You can see that is so cute. So now what we're going to do is make sure all that glitter is down. Put our paper back. Then we're going to seal it, and we're going to seal it twice. And maybe like 1/4 of an inch. Right now I don't know if I'm going to actually have 1/4 of an inch or not. And then just go down through here and you just seal it. And then you can hear it. It was stuck to the paper, so it's sealed. Then we're going to go up a little bit further, and that wasn't too crooked actually. It's fairly, just a little off. Then we're going to go up about 1/4 of an inch some more and seal that. Okay. And then we're going to cut it, and we'll be finished with this one. Okay, so here's our little shaker card. It's so cute. You can put it in anything, but I'm not finished with it. When I get through, what I'm going to do for time purposes is go off camera and finish these two, and then when I come back, we'll punch holes in this and embellish it. I'll be right back. Okay, I have this one done like this. I went ahead and I used this from the Dollar Tree right here, this little sequins, pack of sequins, and I really like how that turned out in there. And then I put some of the little hearts and things from the little thing that I got at Michael's, but I really think that looks really pretty, and you can see it shakes and everything stays right where it's supposed to. And then we've already seen this one. I just think they're really cute. And this one just says happy thoughts, and you can see they shake, and they're just really fun to make. All right, and then so I'm just gonna, for time purposes, because I know this is a long video, I'm just going, you can either punch a hole on the edge or you can punch it in the middle. I think I'm probably just gonna go ahead and punch right here in the middle. And then I just cut some Dollar Tree ribbon, and I'm gonna feed that right through there like that. And then just tie me a pretty little knot. And it would be much prettier with more ribbon, but I just don't have any. any more ribbon. So that's how I'm just gonna leave this one just like that. But I think it's really cute. And it's not bad for my first one, but I do need to get more stash, more stuff, more ribbon so that it would be fuller. And so the same principle with these. So I'll just finish these off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm finished. And I think they turned out really cute. Here's this one. And I just went ahead and put like 3 pieces of ribbon through it, and I think it's really adorable. And like I said, when I build my stash up, I think I'll be able to do a lot better. But for my first shaker cards, I'm really happy. That turned out really cute. And then this one the same way. I just need to put more ribbon and get more stash built up, but I really love how that turned out. And then this one, I really think it is really cute. I just went ahead and glued a flower that I gotten at Michael's on the top, and these are precious. I love them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.